way that way to the passenger side, just
Oh.
so that I can get my fingers through here.
Hey, y'all. Hey, what's happening, man?
After that,
My bad. I was sitting up here checking out my boy Ron from Portland's video on how to install these OLM mirrors. And yeah, that's right. We check out each other's videos, man, because he did such a good job of explaining. Well, he had a certain issue with his, the reason why he replaced his, but the idea of having a little bit more of an angle on the mirrors when I'm driving sounded like a good idea. So I decided to go ahead and grab me some too. You know, watching this video was like, dang, man, that like it's a good little mod to put on the car. So I went on ahead and I did it, man. So this video is gonna be more of a not how to do it, because if you want to see how to do it, I'm gonna go ahead and link his video in the bottom in the description and to the right. So if you guys want to check out how you do it, check out my man's video, man. He did a real good job explaining how to do it, which is the reason why I'm looking at it myself, so I can figure out how I'm going to attack in this install. So like I said, it's not going to be a how-to on this. It's just going to be me installing it and then kind of trying to do a comparison driving to see the difference in it. So what we're going to do first here, well, before I get into that, let me show y'all what I got, because I didn't get the exact same type of mirrors that he got. I got the same brand, but I just got a different. He got the clear ones, I got the ones with the blue tint. So let's go ahead and check them out real quick. Oh, another thing I forgot to say, I am trying something a little different out with the camera. I'm shooting in 4K, so hopefully this comes out good, because like I said, I'm trying to step it up a little bit. But this is what I have, and I got the ones with the blue tint. So this is the right side, so this is your passenger side. That's, god dang, boy, you can see, man. Oh, this is cool, man. I like how this looks. So that's that one, that's for the right side, and this is for the driver's side right here. So yeah, these are the ones I went with, the widening of mirrors. So I'm gonna put these down real quick. So what we're gonna do, or what I wanna do first here, is I wanna go ahead and take a quick drive. I'm gonna set the camera up, looking at the driver's side window. Mirror, not window. The mirror, and we're gonna see how it looks while driving on the road, and then we're gonna come back. I'm gonna install these things, and we're gonna go out and take another drive with the new OLM mirrors on there. So let's go ahead and let's get that correct. All right, y'all, we're in the car. It's raining, or it's starting to rain a little bit here, but so basically, this is what I'm looking at. So this is pretty much in my view, my field of view, and kind of what I see when I'm looking out the mirror. So this is me kind of coming out of the driveway. So that's the angle that I have on the mirrors, right? This is the stock ones. So let's go ahead and let's take a little ride real quick, man. We ain't gonna do too much driving. We just wanna see. Ooh, scraped a little bit, dog. Scraped a little bit. So kind of that's what I'm looking at. Y'all are seeing what I'm seeing when I pull out. So I'm just gonna take a quick little ride down the road. We'll get to check out what we're looking at, what cars around us, where you can kind of get a rough estimate of what I see. I'm wondering if I need to move this. Let's try that. All right, I moved where I had the camera set up at. I think that's a better angle at what I'm looking at whenever I'm driving. Let me tell you, I'm about to make y'all laugh, dog. Hey, I was like, man, I think they need to see it with the window open. And I almost let the window down, man. That camera would have been all over the whole place, dog. Anyway, I'm sorry. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at. So let me get out here on the road. Woo, them turbo sounds. But as y'all can see, that is what I'm looking at. So check us out. I'm gonna turn y'all back on here in a second. See if I can get us around in some traffic. That way then you kind of get a good idea of what I'm seeing whenever I'm driving. All right, y'all. So here we go. We driving. We got a car pulling up on us right now on our driver's side here. It's your truck, so you can kind of see him coming in. And that's what I see when I'm driving. So there, he just passed us up here. So now, what I'm about to do now is figure out a way where I can flip this bad boy around. Oh, we got some more cars coming up on us. I'm hoping y'all can kind of see this real good here. But that's what I'm looking at. So we'll see just how much there is a difference in what I can see whenever I put these the OLM wide angle mirrors on here. So let me go ahead and head back to the highs, and then we'll do another ride here in a minute.
Holy moly, guacamole in my pockets, what a blessing. Got it on me, I got options, real stepper. Check the shoes, get it poppin'. Eating good, feeling good, where my hopping done at. Put it on a plate with some lemonade. That's the way we did it in the old days. Back then, mama said, get up, walk on play. But you better not come home like this.
All right, man. So that's it. Got them in. So now, let's go take a little ride. So me, I had to, some little really small wires to try and get out of there. It really felt like I was gonna snatch the wires out, the actual connectors out of the doggone mirror. So I used some needle nose to get those wires out of there. But we're gonna go ahead and set these mirrors up, go out for another ride real quick, and we'll see what we're looking like out on another drive. All right, y'all, so here we go. God dog, man. When I tell you this is a huge difference, dang. Bruh. Oh, man, I'm loving it. See? I tell you, boy, that dude Ron from Portland be hitting home runs 24/7, man. These things are super tight, dude. I can see a ton more. God, dog, let's get on the road, man. Let's get on the road. Let's see what we're looking like out there. And I like the fact that these are tinted like that. I like that. Because the rear view mirror is the same way. When it gets light on it, they do tend to tint up and dark up a little bit. But let's go. But y'all are seeing what I'm looking at now. Y'all see the difference there. God, dog, I can see a freaking boatload more, man. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, dude, this is another good one, man. I love these things already. Dang. Whoa. All right, so I tell you what, man. Let me get back out here on the road and see if I can get into some traffic the way we can really see how they look. I hate that I didn't show y'all the before of the passenger side mirror as well, but man, golly. Man, yeah, I'll turn y'all back on in a second. I'm amazed right now. This thing, it looks like it's high definition, dog. Dude, you can see everything behind you, dude. Man, these things give you excellent visibility on the sides of the car, dude. Man, there's no cap, dog. No cap. These things is nice, dude. I like it. It's gonna take some getting used to, because I'm like, good God. Okay. Yeah. I'm liking it, man. Dude, I can dang near see the whole side of the car behind me on the passenger side. It's gonna be it's a little unsafe and hard to be trying to move this camera. Because I have to unmount it from the window to be able to show you the passenger side. That's the reason why I'm not doing it. Plus it's raining, and you know, when you're in the rain, boy, that's when people think they can really drive and be all over the place and gonna crash. But yeah, man, y'all looking at that, man. Y'all can see the difference. Dude, look at that. Dude, that is super nice, dude. I'm super amazed right now. That's cool. So yeah, man, if y'all on the fence about these windows, man, get off that piece, dog. Don't jump it. Because these mirrors is nice. But like I said, man, if y'all want to see how to install these, you know, a complete walkthrough on how you do it, check out my man Ron from Portland's video, man. He did a real good job explaining how you put that on there. And he was right, man. It really do feel like you about to break it. But it comes right on off of there, dude. But, let me go ahead and I'm about to go get some gas real quick, and then I'm gonna circle back, get back to the house, and then I'll give y'all a little update on the engine build parts that I got. So I see y'all. All right, y'all, so we back. So like, as with all my installs, man, I will link those mirrors in the description for the ones that I got. Like I said, I got the tinted blue ones. Man, so far I'm freaking loving those things. Those things, it's pretty nice. It's crazy how much more you can see with those things installed on there. But before I close out the video, I did want to give y'all a small little update on my progression towards getting everything I need for this motor build that I'm planning to do later on in the year, a little later on this year. So I did deviate from the plan as far as for this part that I ordered, but like I say, I want this to be cost effective. The idea is I want to get quality parts, but that doesn't mean you have to spend a boatload of money on parts. So seeing as though my experience with this company's product, I used these on the motor build that I did on my my K series swap that I did on my 03 Civic, and I had no issues with them, man. Everything worked out perfectly with those doggone things. So let me show y'all what I got, dog. So instead of the Manley, I did go with the Wesco piston. So like I said, most of us start with Hondas, man, because you know Hondas, you can't crap on them, man. They do their thing. So I got the Wesco forged piston kit, which you know it comes with the rings. Shoots, comes with the rings and the pistons themselves. So let me take one of these things out real quick. All right. Hopefully y'all can see all of this, but yeah, this is it. It's the sleeve right there. And here we go. This is it. So like I say, I'll link these in the description on what I got. So basically these were actually on sale a little bit, but they were on they were $445 for these instead of 680. So these are a reputable brand. So I've used their product before and had no issues, so I figured let's go with these. I'm trying to make this as cost effective as possible. You know, I don't want to blow the bank up, you know what I'm saying? So the whole thing with all of this stuff is to save money to a degree and also save a boatload of money by doing all of this stuff yourself. So when we get into this is gonna be fun whenever we do it, man. I just trying to give y'all a little update on what's going on, man. So with that, oh, almost fell down. All right, y'all, so that's it, man. That's what I got as far as parts for that. So technically we got everything we need to completely do the bottom end. Only thing is I want to get that adapter for my engine stand, the way that I can put all this stuff on there, and then we can get started on that. But like I said, we'll get into that later on in the year. Like I said, the list is gonna change as we go. But that's all I got for y'all, man. Again, I want to thank y'all for y'all support. Thank you for hollering at your boy, man, talking to me a little bit, man. I appreciate y'all's comments, man. It keeps me motivated to keep doing what I'm doing. So until that next video, man, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, hit all so you get notified whenever I put out a video. And until that next video, I'll see y'all next time, man. Peace.